The National Electrical Code, specifically Article 225, addresses overhead conductors. Table 225.1 outlines the height of service conductors over streets, alleys, roads, and other public ways. In residential, industrial, and commercial areas, the minimum height above ground is 10 feet. In rural areas, the minimum height is 9 feet. For footpaths, the minimum height is 4 feet. For buildings within 8 feet of other buildings, the minimum height is 12 feet. There are exceptions to these height requirements. Firstly, for conductors used solely for signal, lighting, or similar purposes, the height may be reduced to 8 feet. Secondly, for conductors crossing roads, the height may be reduced to 18 inches above the finished grade. Article 230 covers services. Table 230.59 details the height of overhead services above public property. Over streets, alleys, roads, and other public ways, the minimum height above ground is 10 feet. Over driveways, the minimum height is 8 feet. In other areas not normally accessible to pedestrians, the minimum height is 4 feet. It is very important to recognize variations by area. The NEC provides minimum requirements, but local and regional authorities may have more stringent regulations. Checking with local building and planning officials for specific requirements in the installation area is crucial. Additional considerations should also be taken into account. Firstly, conductors higher than 18 inches should be securely attached to poles or structures. Secondly, conductors over 750 volts should be identified with appropriate markings or signs. Thirdly, conductors should not be installed near trees or other vegetation that could cause damage or interference.